A simple ketogenic shopping list. A well-rounded ketogenic diet should include lots of fresh produce, healthy fats and proteins. Choosing a mixture of both fresh and frozen produce will ensure that you have a supply of keto-friendly vegetables and fruits to add to recipes. The following is a simple ketogenic shopping list that can guide you when perusing the grocery aisles. Meat and poultry, beef, chicken, turkey and pork. Choose organic, pasture-raised options whenever possible. Fish, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel and herring are best. Shellfish, oysters, shrimp and scallops. Eggs, purchase omega-3 enriched or pastured eggs whenever possible. Full-fat dairy, unsweetened yogurt, butter, heavy cream and sour cream. Oils, coconut and avocado oils. Avocados, buy a mixture of ripe and unripe avocados so that your supply will last. Cheese, brie, cream cheese, cheddar and goat cheese. Frozen or fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Nuts, macadamia nuts, almonds, pecans, pistachios. Seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds. Nut butters, almond butter, peanut butter. Fresh or frozen low-carb vegetables, mushrooms, cauliflower, broccoli, greens, peppers, onions and tomatoes. Condiments, sea salt, pepper, salsa, herbs, garlic, vinegar, mustard, olives and spices. It's always worthwhile to plan your meals ahead of time and fill your cart with the ingredients needed for a few days' worth of healthy dishes. Plus, sticking to a shopping list can help you avoid tempting, unhealthy foods.